The journey of premium jackfruit processing.
Cut is clear. Lowering.
Easy now, watch the weight. We don't want it bruised.
Looks good, very clean. Send it to the factory. Seal quality confirmed.
Good. The AI vision system is working perfectly.
Straps look good, secure the door. This one is ready to roll.
Look how fresh this golden jackfruit is.
Yeah!
We should definitely get this one. It looks perfect.
That will be $32.50.
Here's 35.
And the tap went through. Have a nice day.
Here is the fresh jackfruit, everyone.
Wow, this is so sweet, Mom. I love it.
It really is delicious. We should buy this again.
Pallet 7B is clear for loading in lane 3.
Confirmed. Moving it now.
Scan the manifest on arrival.
Is the temperature logged correctly?
Yes, Supervisor. All secure.
All right, seal it up.
Crane 3, you are clear to hoist the reefer container. Tracking confirms position 42 Bravo. Roger that. Moving the load now. Pallet 22 gauges are stable.
Confirmed. Seals checked. Ready for final manifest.
Incidents. The exported jackfruit arrives at modern distribution centers. Our diverse teams utilize electric forklifts and barcode.
This presentation is incredible.
The fruit looks perfect. We should definitely try some.
Indulge in the sweet, natural taste of luxury. The finest jackfruit, elegantly prepared for you.
Fresh from nature, perfectly packed for the world. Fresh from nature, perfectly packed for the world.